So what we got to do first is, right, we've got some electronic actuators. Well, in the new system, we only need 2 of the 4 that came.
Yep.
So, right, we got this one and this one. So we're going to reuse the outer ones, right? That's what we're going to swap right over. The inner ones, we got to do something, a little trick, and we're going to use these little doodads right here. It's the same connector as this. We're going to connect it to the harnesses right there, and that's somehow going to keep the computer happy.
Yep.
Perfect.
Computers being happy, we love.
Yeah, it's great. But the inners, we don't need. So we can just leave it here, save it, sell off the system, whatever. Just a little tip, right? The same dielectric grease you used, like for your spark plug boots on your spark plugs, you can take a little bit of dielectric grease. We got some from CRC, and you can put a little bit on the seal right there. And that's going to give you a double layer of water resistance, right? And it's going to be a lubricant. To pop it on, to pop it off,
next time you're
way down the road. Yeah, now you don't want to pack it in there. It's non-conductive, right? That's the whole idea, right? You don't want water to get on it and then it conducts to something else. But anyway, a great way to make these things go on and off and give you that little bit of extra seal.